So in this video we'll talk about a brand new product which is dental care application. So basically the idea behind developing this app came from the COVID situation itself, as no one was able to come out and visit the dentist, or you can say visit the doctors. So henceforth we came up with this, and now doctors and patient can easily communicate and start their treatment as soon as it possible. So let's go into our application and let's see what it is. So if you just click on menu button, here you can see a lot of menus. So if I just click on profile, you can see the profile of patients. Also in the appointment section you can see your booked appointments here, and also same as for the prescription. So if you have any prescribed things, so that prescribed things will appear there. Also you can see a lot of options here, like the basic information of doctors, also some knowledge about teeth and how teeth braces work, like every options you can put here. And then later it came for COVID, as it is the pandemic we are facing now. So there also a tab in which you can put the information about COVID and patient can easily go through it. Also there is a slider where you can put the images. Now talking about the appointments, there comes two types of appointment, one clinic and second online. So clinic is for you can say, like after clicking on clinic appointment we can book the particular appointment for the clinic, where we can just easily put our data, easily select the date and time and just click on proceed. So after clicking on the proceed button we can just see the payment. Here you can just put your whatever the prescribed payment is, and a user can easily choose the way of payment. So if you want to pay online, he can just easily click on pay online, and he can just make the payment by using online gateway, like that. Then here comes some important feature of our application, which is emergency appointment. So if some patient is in emergency and he wants to communicate with doctor as soon as possible, so he can choose this particular way of appointment, where he can just put his data directly and just click on proceed. So this particular data will directly hit into the admin panel of doctor, and that doctor can easily communicate with this patient, and the query will be resolved as soon as possible. Also there is a notification section here where user can continuously notified about his appointments. So now let's get into the admin panel, which will be accessible by the doctor. So here in the app users, a doctor can check all the users which are signed into his application. Also in the doctor section he can change the data which will be visible to users as the list of doctor. Just have to click on this pen button and a doctor can easily update all the information about him, which will be visible on the app. So there comes this configurations where you can just set the emergency numbers and just appointment number, so that a user can get the information. Also from here you can extract the Excel sheet of all the users, then you can easily make track of everything. Now in the app notification section, here you can just create the notifications which will be visible to the user in his notification panel, and also it will be notified like a pop-up there. Also in the slider you can change the images of the slider which are available on the home screen of the app. Also same as videos, you can edit the video links and also video descriptions here. Also you can check out the appointments, like which appointments you have got till now, and all the data will be reserved here. Also after clicking on this particular button of prescription, you can give the particular patient the prescription of him, and then he can just like this particular prescription will be visible to him in the prescription tab. Also if you just go on emergency appointments, you can just check out all the emergency appointments which are booked by the users, and also you can easily prescribe them using that prescription tab, which is available right here. Now in the appointment section we can see today's appointment. So here all the appointments which are booked by users for this particular date, so you can check out all the today's appointments there. Also here you can edit the slots, like for which slots you are available, so that user can book a particular slot, and that slot will be booked from his name, and no one other can just book that particular slot. So after that we can see here manage open dates. So here you can edit the dates, like for which dates you are available, so that it will be accessible to users to book the appointments. Also from this tab you can change the appointment fees, like for clinic appointment how much you are going to charge, and same as for online appointment, same as for emergency appointment. And also you can download all the prescription in the Excel sheet, just like we did for the all users account. So now if you just go here in the medicines tab, you can add the medicines so that it will be easier for you to prescribe them easily by using this particular list. And at the same time you can access all the prescriptions here. That particular prescriptions will be available to you on 1-2 clicks, so that you can easily check that prescriptions when he come back. And also you can download that particular prescriptions, and we can just see, like we can just check out that particular prescription like that. Here you can manage the payments, like all the payments you have got in the from the application. Also you can check if some payments are cancelled or not. So this was all about our admin panel of this dental care application.